In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view message info on WhatsApp web. This can be really handy if you're looking to understand when your message was sent, delivered, and read. Whether you're coordinating with teammates or simply curious about the timeline of your communication, knowing how to access this information can save you a lot of time and hassle. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, make sure you're logged into WhatsApp web on your computer. Open your preferred browser and navigate to web.whatsapp.com, and if you're not already signed in, simply scan the QR code using your mobile WhatsApp application. Once logged in, you'll have all your conversations readily available on the left side of the browser window. Now, to view specific message info, you'll need to open the chat where the message you're curious about is located. As you browse through your list of contacts and conversations, click on the desired chat to view the thread of messages. It might be helpful to have the chat neatly displayed to avoid any unnecessary scrolling later on. With the chat open, the next step is finding the message for which you want details. Scroll through the conversation until you locate the specific message. It could be something you sent or received, as the process is the same for both. Once you've found the message, focus on the small drop-down arrow next to your message, or if you're using a different configuration, you can simply right-click on the message. This is where you'll see a variety of options that will let you interact further with your message. From the drop-down menu, select the option that says Message Info. It's usually toward the top or middle of the list, depending on browser updates, but it shouldn't be hard to find. Clicking this option will instantly display details about your message, including when it was sent, when it was delivered, and if it's been read, along with the corresponding timestamps. This information is neatly organized, making it easy to comprehend at a glance. You'll see either one or more checks indicating the status of your message, such as one check for sent messages, two grey checks for delivered messages, and two blue checks for messages that have been read. This can give you crucial insight into your communication timelines. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you now know how to view message information on WhatsApp web. Whether you're verifying communication in a professional setting or just satisfying your own curiosity, having this knowledge right at your fingertips can be quite powerful and convenient. Thanks for watching and happy messaging.